Hi everyone, this is Murli. Today I am going to discuss about algorithm. Right? What is the definition for an algorithm? An algorithm is a finite set of instructions that is followed accomplished a particular task. That means if you want to solve any problem, that means that problem will be solved with the finite number of finite set of instructions and steps is simply called as an algorithm. We can simply say what is meant by algorithm is a step-by-step process or procedure for to solve a given problem is called as an algorithm. That means whenever we can solve any problem, a step-by-step procedure or a step-by-step process is called as a algorithm. Right? If you want to solve the anything by a step-by-step, that means one by one, we have to solve the given problem is called as an algorithm. Now, what is the characteristics of an algorithm? Means while you are writing the any algorithm, we have to follow the some characteristics. Right? The first one is input. Means what is meant by algorithm? The algorithm can be used for to solve the given problem in a step-by-step process. Okay, right? Now, whenever you can solve the any problem, we want to give the some inputs. Right? The input may be either 0 or more number of input must be supplied. Means based on the problem statement, either we can give the 0 inputs or more number of inputs. That is the first characteristics of your algorithm. And what is the second characteristics is output. Means whenever you can solve the problem, that problem will give the some result as an output. That means either your input is 0 or more, but we can get must be at least one output. That is the some output we can get depending on the problem statements. Right? Your input is either 0 or more, at most you have to get the some output. That is the second characteristics. And what is the third one? The third one is the definiteness. What is meant by definiteness means each step means what is meant by algorithm? A step-by-step process means what are the steps you have to write? Those steps must be a clear and unambiguous. What is meant by clear means you are writing the algorithm for to solve the given problem. Right? What are the each steps you have to writing? Those instructions. What are the instructions you have to write for to solve the given problem? Those instructions must be the clear. Suppose for example, I am writing the or solving the problem for addition of two number. Right? C equal to a plus b. Now here a plus b is a clear instruction, means here I am adding the value of a and b by using the addition operator and showing the store the result in C. That is giving the clear instructions to solve the given problem. And what is meant by unambiguous? Unambiguous means at a time we can perform the only one action. Suppose the same instructions or same expressions, I can write in C equal to a plus b, means at a time here I am performing in between these two a and b value only for the addition. Right? I am cannot adding the subtraction and then multiplication for the same operator. Means I am using the unique expression for each and individual operation. That is definiteness. Means in definiteness, the each step must be the clear and unambiguous. Right? And the next one is the finiteness. What is meant by finiteness means an algorithm must be a finite number of steps. Means what is the main aim of algorithm? To solve the any problem, a step-by-step process. Right? Whenever you can writing the step-by-step process, those steps will be depending the finite number of steps. Within the finite number of steps, we have to solve the given problem. That is the finiteness. Means the algorithm must be terminate after a finite number of steps. Right? That is the called as a finiteness. Are you understood? Means simply we can say the algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step process or procedure for the given problem. Right? These are all the characteristics while you are writing the any algorithm. Right? I will write the one algorithm. Simply see what is the main aim or example. First example I have to write. Right? The first example is, suppose algorithm for to display welcome message. Just simply I want to display the some welcome message, right, as an output. That is a problem. Now how you have to start the algorithm? Algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step process. What is the step 1? You have to start. Step 1 always is a start. Start means start your procedure is a start the algorithm. And step 2. What is the step 2 means? It is a algorithm for to display what I want to display the message as a welcome. Means display means in C language you have to using the option for the print. What is the message I want to print? The message is welcome. This is the message I want to display, right? Once I have to display the message, then I have to stop. This is my stop. That means at the end of the last step in each algorithm is a stop. At start of the every algorithm is the start, right? It is a simple algorithm for to display the welcome message, right? Next, suppose for example 2, write an algorithm for add two numbers, right? We can add the two numbers for algorithm. What is the procedure? First you can write the step 1. What is meant by step 1? You have to start, right? Here you have to first understood clearly the problem statements. What is the problem statements? I want to add addition of two numbers, right? Addition of two numbers means before going to the problem statements, we have to identify how many inputs we want to give and how many outputs it will be produced. That you have to understood. Means here I want to perform the addition of two number. Two number means I want to give the two input from the keyboard. That means number of inputs are required for this problem is two inputs. Now based on these two inputs, how many outputs it will be produced? Means addition of two number means if I can adding the two value, I can get the only one value as a result. That means I can get one output, right? Now start. Then step 2, read means nothing but we can read the value from the keyboard. We can read the two numbers, read two numbers. Otherwise read A and B values means to store the value of A and value of B. Now if I know the value of A and B, then I have to calculate, right? I have to calculate what I want to calculate, sum. The summation of what are the values I want to summation of? The value of A and B. The value of A means I can read the two values, right? These two values are A and B value. What are the value of A and B? These two value I can add by using the arithmetic operator plus, and the result will be stored into the sum. After that I have to display as a output means how many outputs? One output. That output is called as a sum, right? Now I can print or I can display print the sum as a output. And sorry, just step 4. And what is the final step? The final step means I have to stop. Clear? Means I can solve the addition of two number by using a step-by-step process, a finite number of steps for solve the given problem is called as an algorithm. I think all of you understood, right?